What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video, guys, I need to address the whole delisting issue. You already know we are in some China plays, Neo being one, and I need to talk to you guys about what to do and how we need to respond as investors, okay? Also, we need to talk about the stock market in general. But without further ado, guys, let's get ready to take a look at my portfolio. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the road to 100K. Okay, guys, on the road to 100K, your boy is currently sitting at $90,277.92. Again, we're better than yesterday. Not too much to write home about, but again, guys, this is that day-to-day fluctuation stuff, things that we don't care too much about, okay? We don't trip when it's down, we don't trip when it's up. We just want to make sure that we are investing in good plays each and every day, so long term we know we're getting a great return on our investment. Okay, guys, listen, man, I wanted to talk to you guys today specifically about the whole delisting thing. Okay, I know many of you, if you've been rocking with me, we've been in Neo since $7. That is my China exposure. However, some of you may be in JD, some of you may be in Alibaba, some of you may be in whatever other plays that's out there, okay? However, I wanted to talk just a little bit to make sure that I bring some calm to the situation, as well as some guidance on how we need to play, what's going on, and what ramifications do it really even have, okay? You guys are all familiar with Neo, ticker symbol NIO. It had a decent day today, up almost 4% at the time of this recording, sitting at $47. I told many of you that think you guys know but I told you Neo would come to 45, I told you it would come to 43, and I told you it would come to 40, and sure enough, if y'all keep it real, many of you saw those prices. I'm just hoping that you guys pounced and did what we talk and teach every day on the channel, okay? That's the opportunities that come. They far few in between, but when they come, you have to act and you have to be ready to be all over the play, okay? But Neo, guys, is my China exposure, and so of course that news about China stocks getting delisted caught my attention, and so as a result, man, I wanted to make sure that I did my due diligence, looked into everything that was going on so I can advise you guys accordingly, okay? And long story short, guys, some of the things to be mindful of is the fact that, again, the US just want more accountability and more transparency from China, okay? If you're going to do business over here, if you're going to be on our stock exchange, we want to know that your accounting is on the up and up. We want to know that you are, again, being truthful with the numbers you report. We want to know that if you say you have this many amount of sales, that you're not fudging the numbers in any kind of way. Just a more transparent process across the board, because if not, they run the risk of getting delisted and then only being able to trade on the Hong Kong exchange, okay? And so the ramifications for me is the fact that I have Nike, I have Starbucks, I have other plays that have China exposure that we never know how they may respond in return, and if they do choose to have a get back mentality, that could ultimately mess up some of what we have going on in plays that don't have nothing to do with any of this, okay? But listen, guys, I want to advise you, if you are in Alibaba, I need you to consider trimming your position or selling out completely until the dust settle. If you are in JD.com, another great stock, okay, I need you to consider trimming your position, taking some profits, or selling out completely. You guys have options. It's important that you exercise those options right now, okay? Because with this level of uncertainty, you guys don't want to get caught holding the bag if the market responds negatively to this news long term, okay? So listen, guys, cover yourself. Again, with Neo, same thing. If you can limit your exposure, do so, okay? Maybe trim your position some. Maybe don't have 90% of your stocks invested in Neo, okay? Don't have all your cash sitting in that one play. Take some profit. If you with me, I know we made a lot of money. There's no denying that. So you may lower your position so that if something happens, you're just playing with house money or something like that, okay? So those are a couple strategies for some of the China plays in terms of what we're going to do and how we're going to respond to this China news. Up next is our word of the day, and our word of the day is taking profits. Listen, man, I had to circle back to this because I need to make sure that those of you that are still with me in this video hear this loud and clear. Guys, the home runs are meant for you to enjoy the fruits of your labor, okay? When we invest and we knock it out the park, take profits, okay? Some of you shouldn't even be in some of these plays that are down right now, okay? SBE, charge point. The price target for us in that was $30. It went to 42. That's considered being greedy if you guys didn't take profit at least at 40, 35, or you get what I'm saying? Guys, take profit. You shouldn't still be having all your initial investment in this play, okay? Same can be said for Palantir. Same can be said for Jamia. Same can be said for various plays, guys. I need you to vow right now. Matter of fact, put hashtag in the comments, take profits. I need to make sure that this is top of mind of what you guys need to be doing. We should be chilling with our feet up on days like yesterday and today in terms of knowing this is just a cool off. We already did our dirt. We already did our damage. We already knocked it out the park, okay? Guys, you gotta know that nothing runs up forever. Hopefully this is a learning lesson for some of you. Hopefully some of you that are veterans are understanding. Now you're seeing the cycles of the market, okay? But take profits, man. Go enjoy. If you still have penny stocks, Nano, Solo, UAV, I don't care which ones we talked about. Sell those, aka take profits. Guys, selling and taking profits equal the same thing. So if you hear that word, sell or take profits, they mean the same thing. Take profits means sell, sales mean take profit. Get your money, okay? Increase your buying power. We got other plays to move on to. Point in case, Airbnb, which comes out Monday, okay? So I need you guys to be ready for that. Not sitting in plays we already knocked out the park, okay? Please take profits. Up next, guys, is our question of the day. And our question of the day comes from Anthony Arellano. He says, hey, Chris, thank you for all the game you put out on us. Question, after we hit the home runs, how do we know which stocks we should hold for the long run? Anthony, great question, man. I want to say this, man. Guys, when you hit the home run, it's important to understand your initial goal for why you were in the play in the first place, okay? Some plays are short-term plays. Some plays are just a money grab. Some plays are actually good stocks that you guys want to be in for the long term, okay? With that being understood, you have to determine for yourself which plays are long term. So let me be transparent as I always am and just share this with you. Home, you guys know that's an upcoming home run that we're about to hit. Home is not a long term play for me, okay? Once it hit $30, I'm gonna put my trailing stop loss on and then we're gonna cash out, or I'm gonna cash out. You guys can do as you please, okay? I just wanna have you be successful. LCA is a mid to long term play. So I know it's going to hit 30, but that stock is eventually going to hit 65 to 80, okay? However, en route to doing all of that, I'm not certain how long past that I will be in the play versus how long I'll be in DraftKings, okay? You guys have to give your stocks a life expectancy, so to speak, whether it's long term or short term, okay? You guys know my long-term plays are Nike, Starbucks, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla. It's no question about I'm rocking with those way 5, 7, 10 years down the road, okay? But some of these newer plays, some of these home run plays, they still got to prove themselves, guys. I'm just getting you guys in on the front end, hitting it out the park so you guys can build your money up, build your wealth up, build your portfolios up. But you guys got to go back and look for yourself. Do you even like those companies? Do you have an affinity towards those companies? Okay, the things I like, I'm okay with being in. I don't mind laboring with Nike. I don't mind laboring with Apple. Okay, I'm okay with being in those for the next 5 to 7 years without even thinking about it. Okay, if you guys don't truly care about your plays like that, you guys got to acknowledge that. That's called self-awareness. Then you got to say to yourself, okay, when I make this much money from this play, then I'm getting out. I'm done with it completely, okay? Some plays you might go back to the well and rinse and repeat, okay? But again, have a plan, have a purpose for everything you do, and that is how you determine what is short-term and what is long-term, okay? Listen, guys, if you have comments or questions, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.